As we know that the 4% of crude oil has been used in the production of these polymeric materials or the plastics today, and we are all talking that these plastics becoming a environmental problems creating. It is a matter of debate, and I have been working for the last 12 years to convert these valuable materials into very usable products, because in the developed countries like India, when we want to increase the economic growth, industrial growth, waste is a product which we cannot avoid. To address these issues, we have developed the catalytic materials and the process to improve the value of these products which are in the waste materials. When we talk about these polymeric materials, this is very small fraction. This is what we are talking about, the municipal waste plastics. When we talk about the e-waste, it is already piled up, several thousands of tons of the e-waste already accumulated in India. Till last 4 years back, we have become a dump yard from the various other countries, developed countries, which has more severe problems when we recycle or when we try to convert in this e-waste into the valuable products, which contains very, very valuable materials. Half of the periodic table elements are present in this e-waste, including gold, silver, lead, all noble metals. The recovery of these metals is very, very important, because we don't have those resources for India. We are importing those things. We are also importing these materials from the outside. Down the line, with the increase in the economic growth, it is very difficult problem to get these materials. So we have to judiciously utilize, convert these electronic waste products, including the plastics, because around 20 to 30% of the plastic is also part of these electronic waste products. It also has the brominated dioxins, brominated flame retardant materials, other inorganic materials, all periodic table elements. So prevention is better than cure. If we dispose these things, already we have seen several cases all over the world because of these materials, flora fauna disturbances, pollutions, several problems. So we have been working to address these issues, to convert these waste materials into the valuable products. We have process, we have developed, and we have demonstrated, and the plants are started coming up in India. These things are already well established, systemized in the developed countries.